Good morning and welcome to another edition of the Daily Fix. I am your usual host and presenter, Advocate Tulo Oyane. Khumalo has just recently issued an ultimatum, but it's not very recent because it's just over a month ago. But she has just issued an ultimatum to say it ends here. She is sending out a clear message, somewhat like a threat, that anybody out there who's going out, dragging her name in the mud, had better stop now. And she is still insisting, and she's still bold enough to challenge everybody who has got any piece of information against her that might implicate her in any manner in the killing of Senzo MEYIWA, to come and get her. That is the bold statement that she's making. If you have any evidence, come and get me. Just take a listen to this threat, if you can call it a threat.
Enough is enough. It stops here and it stops today. I'm not going to be diplomatic about this. I'm not going to release press statements. I am not going to waste my money hiring lawyers to speak on my behalf. Udoti nje udoti. If you strongly believe that I am capable of what you're accusing me of, very simple. Come and get me. It's that simple. I'm not above the law. But I think I'm at the point where I am enough of you people dragging my name through the mud. It stops now. These stupid humiliation rituals that you've been performing, Ngami, over the years. Enough. If you feel that I am the woman that you are coming after, simple. Come and get me. Akekho umuntu engimesabayo. Till then, back off. Back off.
But let us take a look at Khumalo, at least insofar as evidence has unfolded in the Senzo MEYIWA trial. No, not mere conjecture or, whatever feelings you might have about her. And there are many of them. Khumalo has been fingered. She has been identified by Brigadier Gininda to have been the mastermind behind the killing of Senzo MEYIWA. There's a damn indictment on her. You see, it is not some of us coming up making up stories about her involvement in the killing of Senzo MEYIWA. When we actually say Khumalo is involved in the killing of Senzo MEYIWA, we are talking about matters of fact, matters which have come before courts of law. The Pretoria High Court has heard from the lead investigator, Brigadier Bongani Gininda, that she orchestrated the murder of Senzo MEYIWA, and to use their words, she's the trigger point. Paid all those who were involved in the killing of Senzo MEYIWA, and oversaw the whole thing. So for that reason only, and this is coming out of a court of law, remember, for that reason only, for Khumalo now to come up with this kind of veiled threat that it better stop now, I really have a problem trying to figure out what it is she thinks will stop. because nothing will stop for as long as she remains a free woman. In the face of such damning allegations against her, how on earth does she expect South Africans not to have anything to say about her? People are not only linking her with the killing of Senzo MEYIWA, her boyfriend, for any reason whatsoever. People don't have any agendas against her. A lot of people simply knew her just as a musician, an entertainer before the death of Senzo MEYIWA. But we are talking here hard facts and hard facts only. So if she has been fingered by none other than Gininda as the mastermind, and that is on record before the Pretoria High Court, we are using that evidence tendered by Brigadier Gininda under oath to actually say she is involved in the killing of Senzo MEYIWA. If you take another look at Kelly Khumalo, interestingly, she has always been in the background ever since Senzo MEYIWA was killed way back on the 26th of October 2014. Among other things, she was ostracized by the MEYIWA family and ended up not attending that funeral. The family itself has always, ever since that time, for the last 11 years, believed that Kelly Khumalo had something to do with the killing of Senzo MEYIWA. If you ask any of the family members, they will tell you that they don't have any faith at all in the process unfolding before the Pretoria High Court, and that justice for Senzo MEYIWA will only be served when Kelly Khumalo gets her day in court. So perhaps if Kelly, I think Kelly Khumalo is under a lot of pressure. She's under a lot of pressure, and she's been under a lot of pressure for the last 11 years. But she must come forward to clear up this little bit that Gininda has come up with. Because surely, to be accused of being the trigger point in the murder of her own boyfriend should somehow, catapult her to clear up her name. So having said that, I don't think all these, conspiracy theories, together with the hard evidence that is coming out of a court of law, will ever go away. Whether or not Kelly Khumalo is comfortable and uncomfortable with it, those are the hard facts of what happened to Senzo MEYIWA on the 26th of October 2014. Having said that, let me thank you for watching this video. Let me thank you for all the subscriptions and likes that I'm seeing. Let us march on to the 12,000 subscriber mark. We are almost there. It is free and only a click away. Thank you.